How would you like to learn how to increase your borrower's credit scores in just a few days, or even your own credit scores? Are you stuck with borrowers who just are a little bit short of qualifying for a mortgage loan because of their credit scores? Well, in this course, I'm going to teach you how to boost your borrower's credit scores using credit simulators and rapid rescoring techniques that aren't taught anywhere else. Believe me, you won't find it anywhere else. Imagine closing 2 or 3 times more loans and increasing your income from $50,000 to maybe $100,000 or $200,000 as a loan processor or a loan originator. I've used these techniques to save my own loans that were initially denied or that simply didn't qualify in the past, and then they were able to qualify and close. In this course, you're going to learn what credit simulators are and how to use these incredible tools. I'm also going to teach you tricks to get the highest increase in credit scores, what rapid rescoring is and how to order this service from your credit vendor, how to read and understand a mortgage credit report, and so much more. This course comes with real examples, instructor-led lectures, unlimited questions, 2 knowledge evaluation tests that you can take to see just how much you're learning. In this course, you're going to learn how to take your borrower's credit scores and run them through a credit simulator to see just how high you can get those credit scores. And then you're going to use a special tool called a Rapid Rescore, a tool where you're going to be able to increase the borrower's credit scores in a matter of just a few days, usually 3 to 5 business days, sometimes less than that. Normally, if you wanted to update your credit score, it would take 30, 60, or even 90 days until it reflected on your credit report. But by using these 2 techniques, you're able to first find exactly where you can actually improve your credit scores or your borrower's credit scores, and then how you can use the Rapid Rescore tool to do it so that it's effective almost immediately, simply by providing proof of the changes that were made. And if for any reason you're not completely satisfied with this course, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk for you at all. Getting started is just a matter of clicking on the enroll button so that you can start learning exactly what rapid rescoring is and how to use mortgage credit simulators, which are a lot more advanced than just regular simulators. Let's get started now. I'll see you inside the course.